Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to blur the face in CapCut in seconds. First, download the CapCut app on your phone and open it. Tap on New Project. Select and add the view from your phone's gallery. Go to the Effects option at the bottom bar. To add video effects, tap Lens and choose the blur effect. Expand the video effect to the whole video. Tap on Adjust to adjust the blur effect. Go back. Tap on the Overlay button and then add the overlay. Select the video from your gallery to add. After adding the video, resize it on the screen by zooming. Play the video to make sure that the video is resized accurately. Swipe right to the editing tools and tap on the mask button. Select the mask like a circle and adjust it according to the face. There is the invert option. Tap on it and adjust the mask on the face. Once it is adjusted, play the video to view that the face is blurred. You can add keyframes as well for a smooth transition. Play the video and export it to save it in the gallery. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.